Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to transfer photos from iPhone to PC or laptop. Firstly, use a USB cable to attach your iPhone to the Windows machine. Unlock your iPhone, then a pop-up will appear saying trust this computer. Just tap trust and enter your iPhone's passcode to confirm. Launch iTunes on the Windows PC and log in with your Apple ID to authorize the computer. If prompt on your iPhone again, just tap Trust. On your PC, open File Explorer and find the Apple iPhone under the Devices and Drivers section. Double-click the Apple iPhone, then navigate to Internal Storage, then DCIM. Open the folder corresponding to the date of the photos, and select a copy or move the desired photos to your PC. Be cautious when moving photos, as this action will remove them from your iPhone. Just copy them. If your photos are in HEIC format, download the converter from the Microsoft Store or open or convert them. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.